Hey, how's it going, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to fill your brand new 2023 Lamy All-Star fountain pen with ink. Now this is in the Petrol colorway, or Lamy refers to this color as the Petrol colorway, which is kind of like a blue greenish or a green bluish. Depends on how you want to see it. I think it's kind of like a blue greenish. It's more blue to me than green. And if you haven't already checked out the video of me cleaning this pen out for the first time, I highly recommend you go check it out. I'll be leaving it in the description, or actually at the top of this video, as well as in the description. But pretty much let's get into it. I'm going to be showing you how to fill it up. I'm going to be using the Diamine Aurora Borealis. I think it's a very close match. And pretty much what you're going to be needing is your ink that you're going to be choosing, the pen obviously, and a converter if you don't already have one. There's a converter. Also, you're going to be needing paper towels. Paper towels are definitely your friend, not because you're going to be making a mess. You really shouldn't be making a mess, but from time to time it kind of spills, and so you just want paper towels just in case. I'm probably not even going to use these, but like I said, you just want it just in case. You want also your ink to be well mixed up. I've had instances where I don't mix my ink and or shake my ink, and the color comes out a little different. So make sure you have your ink agitated so that you get the actual color. Pretty much, you're gonna put the paper right there. You want the ink bottle on top of your napkin just in case it drips. Take off the cap. You're gonna want to submerge the whole nib inside, the whole thing completely, and you want your converter to be all the way to the base. So you don't want it opened, you want it to the base. Submerge it all the way and start to pull the ink. Close the ink. First thing you want to do is shut the ink. You don't want to drop the whole ink bottle. So there we go. And then you just want to finish off by cleaning the grip section a little bit. Once you're done cleaning that, you're pretty much good to go. As you can see, it's already full with ink. I didn't think in the first one it was going to get full with ink, but it actually did. So that's fine, that's good. It's in there, it's done. You're pretty much done. Once that's done, you can go ahead and put the barrel back on, put the cap, and you're ready to write. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Also, let me know what color you put into your pen in the comments below, and have a good day.